In 3, 2, 1, go! Ryan went a little bit left. Joel is still at the back there. Breaking lots of paint. Move up, Robbie. You're right, yeah. Oh, crawling. Okay, we got movement to the left. He went way left. Okay. Seen Joel yet? God, I hate these gloves. Horrible hiders. Hiding. Who? Ryan? No, I see him. Push Joel. I don't know. Go right. Go right a bunker. I'll come to you. I see him. He's shooting through the bunker. There's Joel making an appearance. I don't see him. Ryan's moving again. Watch for Ryan on the left. He moved. There goes Joel. It's all right. You shoot it through this bush. Oh, I missed my flat line. Bouncer, nice. Yeah. Both now. So shit. Ryan's way back by our base. Oh, I see Joel now. Joel, Christmas come early. I got something for you. Come on! Top up the ammo. Put your hands in the air where I can see them.
That smoke is my ass.
Oh yeah. Big dirty. Let's see that again. Ooh. Painty.
Yeah, that hurt.
Oh yeah. Ass is like the worst. Not just so easy. I think I got a break. Hey, hey, hey! Paint check.
Doesn't look like it.
Nothing? Okay, I'm good. Oh, can't see. You got it? Okay, that's game. Game over.